The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. Debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the tool run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year or more is needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. The cover is secured with two knobs. The air filter is just pressed inside of the air filter base. To remove the old one, I just simply pull it away. Now I can install the new filter. I align it with the cover and tuck it into place, making sure I don't bend it back or pinch any part of it. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to replace your small engine's air filter. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.